It's good.
It's super spicy. I was crying.
Halo, apa kabar teman-teman semua? Balik lagi di Binai Channel. So teman-teman, untuk vlog kali ini itu finally ya kita nyobain makanan yang nggak cuma makanan Indonesia. Nah, tepatnya adalah asinan, pedas, asam manis, asam pedas kalau nggak salah ya. Datangnya dari Vietnam yang mirip-mirip ternyata sama makanan Indonesia teman-teman. Jadi Lin, teman aku, dia waktu datang makan bareng kita itu dia bawain asinannya orang Vietnam. Pengen lihat reaksi kita makan asinan dari Vietnam yang kecut dan pedas. Stay tune aja guys.
You want to explain what we have here?
It's called in my language. I'm from like Vietnam, but it's like a tribe near the mountains kind of thing. So we make a salad with green mangoes.
Green mangoes? Always with mango?
Yeah, it's mango. It's mango, and it could be with papaya, cucumbers, tomatoes, anything basically. Like really spicy and sour.
What? Tomato, cucumber?
Yeah, tomato, cucumbers, papaya.
Okay.
With a lot of things, yeah. So it's gonna be really spicy and sour at the same time.
Okay. Spicy and sweet actually, right? Sour?
Yeah, sour.
I thought the mango was sweet.
Unless you want the ripe one. This one's a green mango, so it's gonna be sour.
Okay, let's
But
try.
it's delicious.
Let's mix it first.
Oh, you should.
Kind of a little bit.
Before
Yeah, just a
you mix
little
it,
bit.
you should just give me the top of the.
Without the give me your plate.
Oh, thank you.
Tiny, tiny.
Hermano?
What is this? That's good.
Oh, she just explained.
Dessert?
No.
No, just Lina make it like for us to try.
Yeah. Okay. It's spicy.
Is it too much for you or is it okay?
Oh, I've tried this before. We make that in Mexico too.
You make Mexican.
Yeah. We don't call it like that. We call it gazpacho.
Cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber. And mango.
How does
green
this
mango.
get so spicy?
Get spicy?
The more you eat, it's more spicy. And
We eat this all the time, like in between meals.
Really? Like at work?
Like
Mexico?
in Mexico. Especially where I am from. It's cucumber with mango, right? Yeah.
You can explain again because I think no one has said it before.
Really? Oh, okay.
So how is this called actually?
and in my language, you call it bossam.
Bossam.
We call it gazpacho.
It's an easy name.
And it's like this cucumber, papaya and mango.
Usually we do it like, or we just eat it with the green mango with the spice. Usually, or you can add like papaya, tomatoes, cucumber.
Oh, we don't have to make.
Yeah.
And this is usually the side dish, right? To something.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, today we just try it like this.
Oh, Linda, that smells already like spicy.
Right.
You're already scared. Oh,
Let's
neat.
try.
Let's
I'm not
try.
a spicy eater.
Thanks for bringing this.
Yeah.
I think you're the first person on this vlog that brings food that we haven't prepared, right? So you should feel honored.
It's good. The spicy is okay. I thought it was gonna be super spicy. It's good.
Nate, you look like a robot without batteries. You like stuck somehow.
So the mango you eat with the skin. Interesting. In Indonesia we peel it.
We eat it both ways.
I never prepared mango with cucumber before, but it's good.
So many different flavors in there.
Yeah.
I think.
I actually just taste spicy.
Do you usually eat spicy or no?
Thumbs up.
Pardon?
Do you eat spicy usually or not so much?
Not at all.
Okay, no, yeah.
But I try to get used to
It's
it.
coming.
I love it, Lynn. It's good.
When I was younger, I liked to eat this a lot. It's just really good. It's like my favorite thing.
The cucumber makes it really fresh.
Yeah.
I like it.
The funny thing a lot of women in Indonesia when they get pregnant, they are craving for this kind of food. Super sour.
Really?
And spicy, yeah.
My mom said
That's why I told her.
Yeah, I think the
Because she
sour
likes
thing is
it
common.
and-
The sour is
And
common,
in
right?
Indonesia, people gonna think she's pregnant because she likes eating that.
Or we know pregnant because we also eat it. Yeah, the sour I think is common, right? In Austria, Germany, you eat like the sour
Ich dachte, das
cucumbers.
kennst auch gut, genau.
Yeah, so it's like with chocolate usually. So this
With what?
chocolate. So you eat like these pickles,
Pickles with
from the glass,
chocolate.
the sour pickles.
Yeah, but I'm also eating them like just out of.
Yeah, I mean the pickles are good, but I think if you eat the pickles with chocolate and then like this is, I think this is like the typical combination that you say like, oh, maybe you're pregnant because you eat chocolate with pickles.
How do you eat that? Pickles with chocolate?
No, but with cheese, it's pretty good.
What a weird combination, like well.
But
that's
a lot
not
of
weird,
people
like,
are eating Nutella with
Sauce,
cucumbers.
Vinegar.
That's so weird,
The sour is
really.
from mango.
yeah, just really
With the pickles, like with the sour cucumbers, or
No, just normal ones.
oh, next time at McDonald's, try it.
Who likes
Can we have
the-
sweet potato fries? Because I really like sweet potato
Yeah.
fries.
Oh, that's good. Ah, kudos to
It
you.
is really good.
That's spicy and good. So I still want to eat more, but you know, like, oh no, it's spicy.
We'll eat some more.
more nothing.
No, I can't. Because I'm gonna cry after that. My
I'm already crying,
my
so-
tongue burns already.
Good.
If you eat more, maybe you become
No.
pregnant.
if I eat more, I know my tummy gonna get bigger, but it doesn't matter. But it doesn't mean it's pregnant. But Nate is sweating again.
Oh my god, yeah, you're
My friend.
I'm trying to against it.
Be strong. Be strong.
You are strong now, Nate. Look
Navy
at that.
diver, gotta be strong.
Nate against Chile. You won.
I didn't realize that I'm that hungry. So. It's good.
Eat. We have plenty of stuff, so feel free to just eat as much as you want.
So Nate, hi. How's it going? It's really spicy. It was really spicy. So
How are you feeling?
again, I'm sweating. It's an appetizer. It is good. Yeah, it's light and too spicy.
Spicy?
Sour. So I can handle the sour, but the spicy, a little bit too much. Yeah, but I finished.
Finish everything.
I would say I like it. I give it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, and definitely.
Well,
I'll
you really
try
seem
next
like
time.
out of breath.
Right. My tongue still hurts. Yeah.
It was your own salad, but what do you say? Are you happy with how it tasted?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
I eat every day.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I finished it almost. This, surprisingly, we have this in Indonesia. Well, Hichi call it pasam, we call it asinan. And asinan is exactly like this. Asinan, we put a lot of salt as well, so then it's gonna be sour, salty, and spicy. I forget the other name, but I believe there's another name for that. And yes, it reminds me like, oh my god, that's so similar like Indonesian, but which is like always, I like it, but then only once I'm eating, because I know after that I'll be like, oh, I cannot. But it's really good, I love it. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yes.
I like this a lot, but it's too spicy for me. I tried, okay? So I think it's more like 9.
Oh. So what do you think? You also finished the salad? What do you think?
Yeah, I also finished it. I think it was really refreshing. I will give it a 10 out of 10 because it's similar to what we have in Mexico. We have not a dish. It's more like a snack that we eat in between meals. We don't cut it like this, like if it looks like spaghetti. We cut it in big cubes. Like cut either mango or cucumber or both, and then we put some salt, lime, and chili, and we eat it like as a healthy snack. Well, not precisely like a healthy No, because we eat it because we have a lot, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like in Indonesia, you have a lot of veggies and
Yeah.
Vietnam too. So we eat a lot like in between meals as a snack.
You like the spiciness?
Yeah, actually this one wasn't as spicy as this one, as the sauce that we use for the main dish.
Okay. Perfect. It was very good. I think I'm gonna say the same as everyone else. So this salad was very good. I loved it that it was spicy but also fresh with the cucumber. And yeah, I think the taste was very good with like the papaya, mango, everything mixed up. Like every bite tasted differently. So yeah, I really loved it. I would also give it 10 out of 10 points.
How spicy was it for you? Was it?
Oh, it was not spicy. It was good. Easy to eat.